Wow, what do you say when you find a skid loader like this? Only 80 hours on it. Brand spanking new. I got it from a fella who was keeping it in his garage all the time, or in his shop. Basically didn't use it. It's a 2020 model and has every single option that Bobcat offers. The 2-speed, the ride control, has the rear weight kit, it's got the high flow, just a super clean one. The cloth seat with the air ride, radio, wide tracks, heavy duty tooth bucket. We have always wanted to get one of these in. They're impossible to find. This is the first T76, and they've been out for 2 years now. It's the first one that I've ever found that was used, and this is the first one we're selling. So great machine.